Yes, hello others. Welcome on Yourpedia platform, and let's start your thermodynamics snap for your Oil India interview.
Yes,
So you're getting call from Oil India based on your GATE score, or separately you appeared for some written examination.
sir, I have a qualified written exam.
Written examination. Okay. So please introduce yourself briefly.
Sir, my name is Adarsh Misra. I'm engineering graduate specialized in mechanical engineering with an overall CGPA of 8.3. Apart from this, I have 1 year experience as a quality engineer, working in Bharat Oman Refinery Limited at project title Bina Panki Pipeline. Along with this, I have a 1 year industrial training in small arms factory Kanpur, and I've completed my project title water cooler come water heater come air conditioner. I'm a very good team player and manage my time efficiently. My hobbies are reading newspaper, listening music, and playing cricket.
Fine, good. So others, what is thermodynamics and what actually you like in this subject, thermodynamics?
Sir, thermodynamics, sir, I actually like in thermodynamics that everything in thermodynamics can be imagine as related to the real life. Like sir, IC engines uh, and various heat transfer processes. So thermodynamics, it is the branch of science which deals with the study of uh, energy interaction of the system with respect to surrounding and its impact on the properties of the system. Sir, basically thermodynamics come from if we break thermodynamics, then it can be broken into thermo plus dynamics. Thermo means energy, and energy is of two forms: conservative, non-conservative. In conservative, those energy comes which can be stored, like internal energy, potential energy, kinetic energy. And in non-conventional energy, sir, heat and work, which is its transition form of energy. And sir, in dynamics, dynamics means transformation of heat into work and work into heat.
Others, you mentioned about some water cooler converted into AC.
Yes, sir.
How you converted water cooler into AC? And what is the difference between an air conditioner and water cooler?
Sir, the difference between air conditioner and water cooler is that, sir, in water cooler, the desired effect is of cooling water, and in air conditioner, sir, it is conditioning of air for human comfort, and the desired effect is cooling of air or
So which
cooling the room.
particular refrigerant we use in water coolers?
Sir, R134A.
R134A.
Yes,
And what about refrigerator, that air conditioners?
sir, same.
Same R134A also we use in refrigerators. Sorry, air conditioners.
Sir, basically, sir, the in my project I use R134A in the compressor, and all the three units is run from the same compressor.
But what do you feel? The ACs which we are having, domestic air conditioners, they use which kind of refrigerant? What kind of refrigerant they use?
Sir, R22.
So, okay. What do you understand by latent heat vaporization? Others?
Sir, latent heat of vaporization. Sir,
Hmm.
latent heat of vaporization, it is the heat due to phase change.
अच्छा आपको पता है there is a one very important desirable property of a refrigerant, and it's like that कि CP of the liquid is required to be low and CP of the vapor is required to be high. You know about that? Specific heat of the liquid must be low, liquid
Yes.
refrigerant. Specific heat of the vapor refrigerant must be high. What do you think? What is the reason behind that?
Sir, actually, sir, I prepared for basic thermodynamics and I
So what is the
didn't.
difference between CP and CV? You know, gases are having two specific heats. Specific heat.
Yes,
This
sir.
is related to thermodynamics only.
Yes,
Others,
sir. Yes.
the question which I asked you, why CP of liquid is required to be higher, lower, and why CP of gas is higher? This is very much related to thermodynamics only. So what is the difference between CP and CV? Others.
Sir, CP is the specific heat at constant pressure process, and CV is specific heat at constant volume process.
So why CP is more than CV?
Sir, CP is more than CV because, sir, when we supply heat at constant volume, then all the energy is utilized to increase the internal energy of the system. And when the heat is supplied at constant pressure, then some part of energy is utilized for doing work, and some part of energy is utilized for increasing internal energy. That's why CP is greater than CV. And also one more uh, uh, method which can be used to prove this, sir, by using TDS equation. When at constant temperature, CP minus CV equals to, sir, some equation, and in that equation, yes sir, minus T and bracket of diver V by diver T, P, sir, diver P by diver V, T, and diver V by diver T whole square, P, and that's, sir, from that, sir, slope of VT, PV is positive, and
Mhm.
सर वहीं से आएगा सर, थोड़ा सा मतलब लिख के बताना पड़ेगा.
So you heard about PMM1 and PMM2. What is the difference between PMM1 and PMM2?
Sir, PMM1 and PM, yes sir, sir, PMM1 is it is a device which produce work continuously without consuming any energy. This is PMM1, and it violates first law of thermodynamics. And sir, PMM2, it is a device which produces work continuously in a cyclic process, uh, we, uh, with exchanging heat from a single heat reservoir, or means it does not reject any amount of heat. It violates second law of thermodynamics.
What is the difference between heat pump and refrigerator?
Sir, pardon sir.
What is the difference between a heat pump and a refrigerator?
Sir, heat pump and refrigerator. Sir, heat pump is, sir, the desired effect is of heating effect, and in refrigerator, sir, the desired effect is of cooling. So both are same, sir. Heat pump is also refrigerator, but if we change the desired effect, then we called heat pump or refrigerator.
What do you understand by exergy? What is exergy?
Exergy,
Mm-hmm.
sir.
What about available energy? What is that
Yes,
available energy?
yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, available energy is the maximum work that can be obtained from a certain amount of heat, uh, and when the system goes into the cycle.
ठीक है. What is enthalpy? Others?
Sir, enthalpy is it represent total heat content in the system. Sir, enthalpy is sum of internal energy and some amount of flow work. H equals to U plus PV.
Can you represent throttling process on Mollier diagram?
Throttling process on Euler diagram. Yes, sir.
Just please go ahead. And before that, please tell me what is throttling. What do you understand by throttling?
Sir, throttling, sir, it is isoenthalpic process. It means enthalpy is constant. Sir, in throttling process, sir, heat interaction is zero, work interaction is zero, volume increases, entropy increases, and sir, it is a highly irreversible process.
Now quickly, can you draw?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Throttling, which we carry out in VCRS. You know?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा, मोलियर डायग्राम किसके बीच में ड्रॉ करते हैं? What
Sir,
we are
Moeller
taking
diagram,
on
HS, sir,
what we
HS
take in
diagram.
x-axis and y-axis.
Sir, HS diagram.
ठीक है,
Enthalpy and entropy.
so you mentioned very clearly that throttling is isenthalpic and it is irreversible.
Yes, sir.
Both the things you mentioned. Then what is the problem? Draw the saturated curve. Take the entry as the saturated liquid. Then the
Sir, I
exit
don't
will be in the wet region. You will have a horizontal line. You will have a horizontal line because the enthalpy is constant, HS diagram. So enthalpy
Sir,
will be constant, entropy will increase. You will have a horizontal line in the direction of decrease in pressure. नहीं, डोम गलत है आपका. जो डोम आपने बनाया ना, ये गलत है.
okay, sir.
चलो, ओके, मैं आपको फीडबैक दे देता हूँ अभी.
Yes.
आदर्श, देखो, एक तो जब आप आंसर करते हो ना, बहुत स्पेसिफिक होके आंसर करना है. स्पेसिफिक आंसर आना चाहिए. कई बार आप क्या करते हो, एक बार हाईलाइट करने के बाद अननेसेसरली इररिलेवेंट चीजें जो है वो आप हाईलाइट करना शुरू कर देते हो. सो बी वेरी rigid, or what you can say, clear with the question what interviewer is asking you. वही आपको आंसर करना है. ठीक है. बाकी
Yes.
ठीक है, आपने मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस यू ट्राइड आंसर्ड. लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपराइजेशन, मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चन आपके प्रोजेक्ट से लेकर करना चाहा, बट यू मेंशन कि आई हैव नॉट रिवाइज दैट पार्ट. यू नो, सीपी अगर कम होगा लिक्विड का, रेफ्रिजरेंट का, तो क्या होगा, सब कूलिंग बहुत ज्यादा होगी, रेफ्रिजरेशन हाइयर मिलेगा. सीपी अगर ज्यादा है तो एट द एंट्री ऑफ द कंप्रेसर चेंज इन टेम्परेचर विल बी लोअर. सीपी अगर वेपर का ज्यादा है, एंट्री टू द टेम्परेचर, एंट्री टेम्परेचर टू द कंप्रेसर विल बी लोअर. यू नो, द कंप्रेसर वर्क डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट, द प्रेशर रेशियो,
Yes.
entry to the temperature,
Yes, sir.
and compressor in inlet temperature and the gamma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, तो सीपी वेपर का कम होना चाहिए और लिक्विड का क्या होना चाहिए, ज्यादा होना चाहिए, ताकि सब कूलिंग ज्यादा मिले, रेफ्रिजरेशन ज्यादा मिले, और वेपर का कम क्यों हो, ताकि कंप्रेसर वर्क क्या हो, कम हो. चलिए, सीपीसी भी आपने ठीक बताया, बट बहुत ज्यादा आपने मिक्स कर दिया उसको, बहुत क्लियरली नहीं बता पाया आप. बहुत स्पेसिफिक रह के बताना है. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
बाकी ठीक है. योर डिलीवरी स्टाइल इज लुकिंग गुड, वेरी इफेक्टिवली यू इंट्रोड्यूस्ड योरसेल्फ. जो पॉइंट आपको हाईलाइट करने चाहिए थे वो ठीक हाईलाइट कर रहे हो. सो ओवरऑल इट्स फाइन, बट एक बार इसको रिवाइज कर लो. वॉच द मैराथन क्लास आदर्श, और मेरे को दोबारा ज्वाइन करो आफ्टर 1-2 days फॉर योर स्नैप.
Okay, sir.
ओके, गुड लक.